Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing quick review of these COOSII wireless headphones with microphone, and it's actually plug and play with USB, but also supports Bluetooth and even has a 3.5mm cable, so it's very versatile. It is full size, has deep bass sound and a whopping 40 hours of playtime. So this is a very interesting thing. Could almost work for everything. We have even a noise reduction microphone, stereo sound, foldable design, dual microphone, extra soft ear cups. So this is very interesting. One of the most complete headsets which I've ever seen. So let's see what we get in the box. We get this carry case and some cables, and then the headset itself nicely protected. So here we are with the headset, really nice, beautiful, I would say pretty sturdy. We even have some metal here, quite some cushion here on top, and a lot around the ears. Looks like it has a decent size. It's beautiful, nicely built. Yeah, definitely cool. And we have this dongle here, so you can use that for super easy connection with your PC if you don't have already Bluetooth built in, but most of the laptops have Bluetooth already, and you can also use normal standard Bluetooth from your phone to connect, so you don't have to use that. But as an easy option or last resort option, this can be super helpful. And so this is what we get regarding the wires. You can see full 3.5mm cable, even 4-pin to record, supports the microphone, very important. Then we have this additional microphone, yeah, additional because it has already a built-in microphone, but we can use this one here. It has even a mute button, and then we have the normal charging cable, micro USB also included. And here we have the short user manual. I think it describes everything really nicely, all the functions, all the special features, and special how to pair and how to reset. Especially Bluetooth reset can be a very important thing, so this is important to check. But most of the functions are pretty easy to use anyway, and I'm going to show most of it. We get also a separate user guide for the Bluetooth dongle, special instructions for the microphone, and Windows 10, which is probably pretty much same as Windows 11. So I'm going to charge it and then listen to it, and I'm going to tell you how good it is, how easy it is to use, and of course I'm going to provide some microphone recording samples so you know how good the microphone really is. So I have it charged for a little bit, and to turn it on we have to put the switch down to the on, and we see this light here, green and blue. This means it's ready to be connected. If you can't connect, you can press the MFD button for 3 seconds. If nothing works, you can also reset it. When you have it turned on, press the volume up and down at the same time for about 3 seconds, and the whole pairing, everything will be gone, and you can start reconnecting. This is also very important to know. So we go to Bluetooth, pair new device, and we have already the P80C Plus. Of course we have to give authorization, and now we have it already 100% charged. Very good. I have been using these headphones now for a while, and they have been working absolutely awesome. I haven't been testing them with 3.5mm or with this dongle here, but I'm expecting no difference because it has been working so good. By the way, the dongle is already pre-connected with the cable. You shouldn't have any problem, at least on Windows, based on my experience. So let's first start with the wearing comfort, and it has been absolutely phenomenal because it's very lightweight. Again, it has a lot of cushion. We can even increase the size here on both sides, so it even fits for larger head size. My head size is about something between L and XL, and I have a lot of problems with some headphones, but not with these ones here. Also, you can see that you can extend it and it still doesn't push a lot against your head. By the way, the ear cups are large enough so they are fit around your ears unless you have supersized ears, but for me it has been working pretty good to fit the ears inside, so this is much more comfortable. So this is one of the best wearing experience regarding this size, and still being some travel size, and you can fold it. This is really good. But not only the wearing comfort is good, also the sound experience. I mean, we are talking about 40mm drivers, and the bass sound has been phenomenal, almost comparable to 50mm drivers. I've been listening a lot to deep bass sound and I almost couldn't stop. But it's not only very good on deep bass, it's also doing a very good job regarding all other sound sources like voice. When you're watching YouTube videos or so, people talking like me or so, then the voices are very crisp and clear, absolutely nothing to complain. So this is very, very good. And now let's talk about the microphones. Let's start first with the built-in microphone. I've recorded a voice sample from me, so let's play that now for you. Built-in microphone test, COOSII P80C wireless headphones, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. And I would say this is really on a very good level. I would say it has some very minor swings regarding volume, but it's very, very low. It's still on a very good level. And especially when you add this external microphone, by the way, it's really easy. You just have to push really hard that you know it's really deep inside, and you have to make sure that this button here, which is the mute button, is on the inside, and you can bend it around, as you can see. I mean, it's not a full metal gooseneck, but you can still bend it a little bit towards your mouse, but it's actually not needed because it's very good. It's very sensitive already when it's straight. And so I have also recorded a voice sample for you. COOSII external microphone test, P80C wireless headphones, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, and so no surprise that this is even better than the built-in microphone, but already the built-in microphone for this class is actually very, very good, and the external microphone is almost top notch, I would say, for this class. This is a very, very good solution. By the way, the microphone is automatically switching. When you plug it in, it will use this microphone. When you remove it, it will automatically use this microphone. And with the mute, you will hear some notification. When you click, then it goes on mute. When you click again, it goes live. So we'll hear that, a little bit of confirmation, not too loud, nothing weird. Also, when you're using these buttons here, is the multifunction button. You can start, stop, music, take a call, reject call, hang up call. Also this volume up, volume down, go to the next track or previous track. All these things are not confirmed by any kind of loud or annoying voice or beeping or so. This is as good as it gets. Only when you turn it on and connect it, then there's a little bit of confirmation, but this is of course the desired function. Also very good thing regarding the control here, because this is the left side here. You can see it. We have an L here, we have an R here. So all the control buttons, everything, even the on off, is on the left side. So you can easily use these buttons here with your left thumb. This is exactly how I wanted. A lot of such headsets have the controls here in the front, and so it's very, very difficult to use them here. It's much better on the back side, and also they are a little bit higher than the headset, so you can definitely feel it easy with your thumb where they are. So this is definitely very good for gaming, for watching videos, for listening to music, even doing conference calls or make some other phone calls. So I would say this is exactly how I want it. Nothing to complain, almost on a perfect level, especially for this class. So I can give you full recommendation, and so I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.